Hi, this is Jay with Jantech, and this is good stuff to know. Anytime you have a UPS failure, I think we all have the same expectation. Get my service technician on site as soon as possible and get my UPS back online and my load protected ASAP. I don't know if you happen to notice, but most UPS technicians don't show up driving an 18-wheeler. What does that mean? That means they're out every day servicing multiple models, maybe even multiple brands of equipment, and the chances are they're not going to have the part you need a majority of the time. What does that mean? That means that could be hours or days before your system can be restored back to online operation. You can reduce the chances of this happening by maintaining a stock of spare parts on site. There's multiple levels of kits available, ranging from an A-level kit that has pretty much every part in that machine, aside from maybe breakers and magnetics or transformers, or even a C level, which will have common failure items like fuses or semiconductors, etc. Certainly something to consider if you're really concerned about a UPS failure and how long it's going to take to get that system restored.